Hi, this is Shannon with Chic and Sassy Nails by Shannon. I am opening my January 2024 Color Street subscription box called Forever Yours. This, as you can see, I'm expecting kind of some florals and pinks or mauves. So this is a spoiler alert, so this is fair warning. If you do not want to see the contents of the January 2024 ColorPlay box, please stop this video now. We're going to take a look. All right. I'm hoping or expecting a floral overlay. Let's skip this here. Looks like we got some partials. And there is not a... I don't see a item, bonus item this month. I don't know if that is on purpose. Let's see. This one is called Laced in Love. Ooh. Okay, that's cute. I like this. This is I'm assuming an overlay. It looks like it's a glitter. If you can, I don't know if you can see the... It almost looks like little flecks. I wonder if it's like a prism effects. Can you see the glitter? Let me see. And then there is the little design. And I will, well, we'll look. Oh, it looks like on the box. It is clear. Cute. I like that. Okay, that's a cute design. Was that on the box? No, the box is full, right? Yeah, okay. This almost reminds me of the design that we saw on the Gothic box. What people were expecting to get, like, I don't know. It's cute, though. I like it. Alright, what was that called? Laced in Love. This one is called Floral and Forever. Oh my goodness, we got floral tips. We've never had that before. Okay, this is the one that matches the box. So this is for sure Prism Effects glitter. Do you see that? And this is definitely like a lighter, like a mauve. This is what I would describe it. Kind of that between pink and between lavender. A dusty, I think it looks mauve. This is as far as what I would call mauve. But it does have a glitter aspect to it. And it's a French tip. And this is a two-sided French tip. So, I'm not sure if they're going to make that... Okay, make that a regular thing. They should. Delicate Desire. So we have another... Oh, an ombre French tip. Okay, again, this has the Prism Effects glitter. Ugh, it's hard to see there. You can see it. I know it's a lot of glare from my window, but that's the only way to catch the glitter. So all of these have that same Prism Effects kind of glitter. So this one reminds me a little bit of Piqued My Luminosity, but maybe not as much glitter, like a little less dense. So this looks like 4 full sets, because this is Vanilla Romance. Okay, so that is a glitter, maybe a shimmer, I guess you could call it, a neutral, but they're calling it vanilla. I wonder, but it's a very light. Okay, this is a very pretty palette. If you like pink, if you like the soft pinks, very classic kind of look to it. I tend to go darker on colors, but I think it is very pretty. It's a very pretty palette. And it's not like shocking based on what the box cover was as far as like the color palette and the overall aesthetic of this one. It's kind of classic, reminds me, you know, traditional kind of classic florals and stuff. So let's see what it says, because let's see what it says, what our item is supposed to, what our bonus item is supposed to be. So this is definitely a clear overlay. Bonus item. Treat yourself to $10 gift card. We'll get it via email the second week in January. It says, it doesn't say that it expires in any certain month, which it might in the email. They tend to do that, those little tricksters. All right, let's see here. So we're getting a $10 gift card e-gift card as the bonus item. All right, Vanilla Romance. I guess that'll be cool to spend. All right, so all full size strips. Vanilla Romance. We're head over heels for this blush nude glitter. Delicate Desire was the ombre French, two-sided French, 2 sheets. Prism Effects. Okay, so this one says glitter. This one says Prism Effects, dual-ended French tips. All you need is love and these romantic gradient dual-end French tips. Laced in Love is a clear glitter design. So they are calling it a clear glitter design, but they're not saying it's Prism Effects. But it is more of a... It has some irregular shaped glitters. I know you can't really tell here. So, alright. And then find yourself laced in love wearing this clear glitter overlay with a crochet pattern over your manicure. Oh, it's a crochet pattern. Okay, got it. Like a doily. Is that what they're called? Yeah. Alright, Floral and Forever is Prism FX. So the 2 French tip are designated Prism FX designs and the other 2 are glitters. Bliss is in Bloom and so is this floral light mauve dual-ended French tips. Okay, let's see the designs they're showing. So this is the French tips, showing it just as regular full strips because it's dual-ended. Model is wearing Vanilla Romance. Okay, Vanilla Romance is definitely a nude, very subtle glitter. It looks like it's sheer like a jelly. I'm going to open these, you guys. I have bare nails. Let's just open these. Alright, hold on. Because I have bare nails right now. We will just take the pinky sets, or the pinky strips, and look at them. Okay, so let me get some scissors, and I do want to turn on my hot flat iron, my heat iron, whatever it's called. I'm new to this. All right. Okay. Let me see here. I'm gonna I like to try to shake these down away from the edge a little bit. All right. Let's just look at a pinky in each of these, so I don't have to. I'm not going to do a full mani because I have no idea what I want to do with these, but we can look at them for sure. Okay, and then I have to go finish working on mail because that is not mail, laundry. All right, so this is Laced in Love. I'm gonna wait. Sorry, I should put something on first. Let's look at this nude vanilla. What they call it? Vanilla Romance. It was very pretty on the model. It's a very pretty neutral. Has very shimmery glitter. It's very subtle. This is definitely a soft, subtle palette. Like I said, not for everybody necessarily, but let's see how sheer, or if any of them are like jelly-like, just because, oops, that's not where I wanted to rip it, but it works. I'm just ripping some of these off so I can have a decent area to seal. And one more pinky. We'll just do one of each. I do like this mauve color. I like pink. I just tend to wear a lot of black or dark colors, but I definitely like them. It's definitely kind of that romantic, like I said, traditional or classic look to it. But you could tell that from the flyer. I mean, the outside of the box definitely has that vibe. So definitely romantic, I guess is what I would call these color palettes. But again, it's not everybody's jam, but I think it is very pretty. I like them. All right, let me move that, get this out of the way. I wasn't planning on necessarily doing this, but let's go for it here. Let's see what is what. So this is the French tip. Okay, so this one's like that, like, it's not white, but it's has that creaminess to that color. So can you see the amount of, I mean, you can see the backing through it. You see that? Okay. We're not going to do it as a French tip, so let's take this off and we'll just flip this around. So this is the mauve tip, the one with the floral. So this is the solid color of this. I should look at the name. Floral and Forever. So this is the solid strip from Floral and Forever, which is the two-sided floral French. Very soft. So if you don't like those paler colors, this might not be your jam. But paired with, you know, some darker sets. Let's see here. This is the ombre French tip. Has a white backing, as you can see. What am I doing here? You can see the, kind of reminds me of one side of the, there you can kind of see the amount of sheerness. Reminds me of the, what's it called? Hue Do Hue, the one side that has like pink to it. These are all super soft. Look at that. Very subtle ombre though, this with the side to side ombre. I mean, it's really hard to even see the ombre because it kind of looks just like a shadow. Those aren't my favorite. What is that one called? So these two aren't my palette of what I normally pick, but it is pretty and soft. Delicate Desire. So Floral and Forever and Delicate Desire. So again, you can see the subtle ombre. Okay, this is the one I wanted to see if it was like a jelly. Oh, it is very sheer. Look at that. Do you see how sheer that is? This is the most sheer out of all of these, and it definitely is. I don't know if it would be considered a jelly, but it is definitely a sheer. It reminds me of that sheerness of kind of like Soleil Ballet from back in the day. Okay, that looks like I have nothing on my nails, you guys. Do you see that? Oh, you can see the line there. But here, I'm going to double it on the one. I'm going to offset. See if you can tell what it looks like doubled. Definitely a neutral. They called it nude or neutral or something, didn't they? Let's just go on half of this. Oops. Yep, I mean, it does make a difference. You can see my bare nail that, and it almost looks similar to just putting on the ridge filler, except with glitter. I don't know if you can see that here. And then, making a little mess here. And then what should we put this little overlay? So this one, what was this one called? Vanilla Romance. very pretty neutral, definitely soft. I like that it has a little bit of glitter in it. I like that one better than these two. Even though neutrals by themselves are not my jam, I tend to mix it with something darker. But, I don't know, let's see Laced in Love. Laced in Love is this overlay. So, I don't know which set to put this over. Maybe let's look here. Oh, so this is a two-sided, so it's, okay, that's pretty. This is over the solid strip of that floral, the solid strip of that floral, French, Floral and Forever. Yeah, so the solid strip and then the overlay, I don't remember the names, Laced in Love is over it. That's very pretty. That's cute. So this is the glitter overlay. I don't even know if you'll be able to see this over anything. It's very subtle, like glitter that's left here. Let's put it over this. It's very subtle though. It just adds another layer of a little bit of extra glitter, a little extra protection from chipping and stuff because it is that second layer. But other than that, I mean, it's definitely, it's soft, it's subtle. If you're not into the light pale colors, this box is not going to be for you because they're all pale. If you like neutrals, though, this is a good base color. That single, I like it actually single better than I like it double for myself personally, because I like that really sheer look. And that's, I think, kind of a trend, is that sheer nude nail, but it is cute. All right, so this is what you got for January 2024. Forever Yours. We got 2 full-size French and a clear glitter or a design glitter overlay, and then a glitter nude set. And this one's very sheer. Maybe it is a jelly. It's like that milky jelly. Oh, they called it. I just learned what that was called. That creamy jelly. Creely or something. They're calling it. So it must be on trend. But there you go. All right, let me know what you guys think. Do you do these more traditional classic designs? Do you like this this soft palette, kind of romantic look? All right, let me know in the comments. Thanks a lot. Have a great day or night. Bye bye.